Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Today we will discuss element 511 of ISO 9001:2015 standard, Leadership and Commitment General. Before we begin, click the subscribe button not to miss our new videos. I also invite you to stay to the end, as I will show you how to get a fantastic book on Lean ISO Management Systems. Let's get started. This wordy clause reads, top management shall demonstrate leadership and commitment to the quality management system by A. Taking accountability for the effectiveness of the quality management system. B. Ensuring that the quality policy and quality objectives are established for the quality management system and are compatible with the context and the strategic direction of the organization, and many others. To clarify the requirement, let's start by cleaning up this wordy writing to get rid of duplications. Let's make a table and place all these requirements from A to J in the first column. In the next column, we will list clauses of the standard where a particular requirement is also present. The table shows that numerous requirements of clause 511 are listed in other elements of the standard. Quality policy, element 5.2, objectives, 6.2, context, element 4, and so on. Some might wonder why I refer to clause 511 itself regarding H, supporting persons contributing to the effectiveness, and J, supporting management roles to demonstrate leadership. Well, remember, clause 511 starts with, quote, management shall demonstrate leadership and commitment. As I see it, leadership encompasses supporting persons and roles, and this is why I consider these H and J requirements duplication with the opening statement of the clause. So, eliminating all these repetitions, we can shorten clause 511 to read simply, top management shall demonstrate leadership and commitment to the QMS by A. Taking accountability for its effectiveness, and B. Promoting the use of the process approach and risk-based thinking. Short and sweet, no? This exercise is an excellent example of optimization of lengthy writing. We reduce the number of words in the statement by near 80%, from 158 to 30 words. Remember, the shorter the message, the better the retention of the content. Now let's talk about documentation. The standard does not require documented evidence of leadership and commitment. But what if you decide to document it? Often companies demonstrate leadership and commitment through the management review process with presence and active participation of the management. This concludes our review of element 511 of ISO 9001 standard. Do not forget to visit our Lean website. Go to the Academy page and look at our free downloads. Please give us a like to help promote our Lean project. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.